What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the next installment of Let's Just See How Long This Car Will Last. This episode, we built some intakes for the car, and we got some tubes that go in these things, and just kind of come up over the car to try to collect some cooler air rather than eating the air off the radiator. And then we took the hood off. We also installed some PPV suspension. As you notice, we got some nasty wheel gap on the car. I was told I would get about 6 to 7 inches of travel doing this. It definitely worked. I could definitely tell in some of the videos it was lifting the front end up and transferring the weight a lot better than being on the Petter's front suspension. I was able to take my wife's cousin out for a ride. That was enjoyable. Ready?
Am I ready?
Let us come down, stay down, hang out, barbecue, swim in the pool, all that kind of stuff, stay at the house when we're at the track. And this time though, I just went to the track by myself. My kids and wife, they decided to stay home and go swimming. I never claimed to be a smart man, but like I said, it was 100 degrees and probably wasn't the best to go out racing in this environment, but I love racing. You know, I couldn't say no, and I couldn't say no to supporting the race wars. The whole DTP crew was awesome down there, so I tried my best to get as much as I could, and waited for it to cool off, made the first hit, and then it was definitely a battle with the heat down there. It was crazy. By the time it cooled off, I think half of Yakima was there trying to race. So we got some footage. Like I said, I was by myself. I tried to get some of other people's cars as much as I can, but can only do so much. One person racing, the stress of that, everything else. But thank you for you guys coming back, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we'll keep fighting. Hell yeah. Peace. Hell yeah, we made it. So just getting ready to go get it checked in. Look at these boys, dude. Oh, damn. I go get my shit checked in, dude.
I get to see this thing in person.
Right.
Sick.
Yeah, I'll come chat with you in a little bit.
Good luck today, bud.
Thanks, you too. Get that fucking 8-0. Yeah.
Like Stevens, right?
Spokane.
Oh, Spokane, okay.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, cool, sure. Awesome. Really glad to see RJ get that place up.
Yeah.
You have an NA Troy license?
I don't have one, no.
You know, you need a, this thing is what, high 10s?
Yeah, it's good for 10-0s, but
yeah.
It's hot as hell today.
Yeah. And we are going to prep, but you can only prep so much on a day like today.
So say I want a license, so what are the, you want to get the license into the 10s, the 9s?
Get all the paperwork. I mean, you got to have the paperwork, and I got to have it. But yeah.
Also, my helmet and stuff's all back.
No, I know you got your stuff, brother.
Okay.
Thanks for supporting the event.
Oh yeah, always. Thank you. So we got all checked in. I'm gonna have to get a license. Might need to get a cage too, obviously, parachute, everything. But yeah, should be fun. So gonna get the car ready and see what we can do tonight. It's hotter than hell right now, so I might wait a little bit, but we'll see what happens. Hell yeah, yo. good. I just stayed in it. I know I pulled a little bit of timing because the, well, yeah, the IET's got up there quite a bit.
You want one or both?
Both's fine.
There you go.
Thank you.
Of course. Have fun racing.
Thanks. All right, so not as good as I wanted, but it is hot. I still got to go over the log. It's haven't been able to look at it. Intake temps got up to like like 180, dude. That's hot. So it is hot out, but we're gonna let it cool down, see if we can make another pass. It's kind of slow if you ask me, but 995. Definitely went slower down here already than it did in Spokane, but like I said, it's hot. We only went 4.3 in the 330, which it went 4.0 in Spokane, so yep, it's hot. But get the car back together and check over everything and go make another pass in a little bit.
And it doesn't come in all the way until 4 seconds.
Well, that's why you're going so slow, dude. You're at 9.
Fuck slow.
Dude,
Well,
you'd
that's
probably
only
go faster if you didn't have a 53-inch TV in here, dude. Whatever, just hanging out. Oh man, dude, that's terrible.
Hey.
I'm guessing y'all are really good friends because
I got a little one in there.
little one.
Yeah, but mine's an old pilot, you know.
Oh yeah. See, I don't have any of mine. Mine's just all stock.
Yeah.
I'm lame.
So
What are you doing over here, Dad?
I just, you know, wishing that one of these days I'm gonna be as fast as Travis Wester.
Oh, okay.
One of these days,
Dude, don't we all?
you know, I'm gonna get big. My wings are gonna spread. I'm gonna go fast.
You have to let him know, dude.
All right.
Holy shit. 970, dude. 149. Good job.
What's up, Chris?
Yeah. That was a good run. That was a fucking good run.
Dude, that one came up. Boom!
$10.64. 128. Ten 5, 141. All right, guys. So the staging lines are super packed. They just called last call, trying to get another run. Haven't really been able to, so we're gonna run it one more time. Probably be our last pass for the night, and then we'll probably have to continue this mission at another track. But we'll see what happens. Hell yeah, y'all. Kept coming out of power. I don't know what the fuck's going on. That guy made me sit on the brake way too long. First time ever bumping in, so. Thank you. 10.6 at 132. Like, fuck, dude. Come on. And I waited in line too long, and the result of that was keeping my car at 50% throttle the whole time. Hell yeah, almost 60. Way cool, but yeah, I sat on the brake way too long that pass. So we're just gonna have to wait for another track day. So sorry to let y'all down, but that's what's just gonna have to happen. Hell yeah, I'll probably catch up with you guys in another part of the video, but that's it for tonight.